Hello, welcome to Natural Treasures Kitchen. My name is Treasure Chukwudi, and today I'll be showing you how to make plantain and oatmeal swallow. This is an amazing combo because plantain and oatmeal are both of them are very good source of fiber. They are rich in vitamins and also helps to lower the blood sugar level. Oatmeal helps you to lower the blood cholesterol, and this fufu is also good for people that have issues with diabetes or you're on a weight loss plan. It is a perfect meal for you. Right now I'm going to show you how to do it. All you need is an unripe plantain and oatmeal. For this combo I'm going to use 2 plantains and 1/4 cup of oatmeal. So we are going to open our plantain, peel it and cut it into cubes so that we can actually blend it. If you actually want to open your unripe plantain very easily, just get to the line, get to this line, find this one, and find this place and okay, here we go. It's out already. Okay, here we go. Just get to the line. Okay. Here we go. Anytime you buy your plantain, make sure you wash it before you start using it. This one I've already washed it properly. When you wash it, you remove the germs and the sands that are on the plantain. Just add a little vinegar to your water or salt if you don't have vinegar, and wash the bag very well. Okay. We're actually cutting it so that it will be very easy for the blender to grind it fast and smooth. Now pour it into your blender. Add your oatmeal. And pour water to it. I'll pour water to the level of the plantain and the oatmeal. Make sure you grind it very well. It has to be very fine so that the swallow will be very smooth when you are done. We'll be needing a little more water. just a little, so that it can blend well. It's getting thicker. You will notice that the blending will be getting thicker. Okay, I blended about 5 times in an interval of 10 seconds. So depending on the blender that you use, but the most important thing is to make sure it is very fine. Right now we're going to start cooking the paste. Please make sure you keep stirring so that it does not burn. Just keep stirring it. It's going to cook for about 7 minutes. Just keep stirring it. If you don't stir it properly, it's going to have seeds inside. It's not going to be smooth, and I'm not sure you're going to like it. If you're on weight loss plan, this swallow is amazing for you. If you have issues with your health and you still love to swallow, maybe they told you not to eat pounded yam and all the other swallows, this is an amazing meal for you. It helps to lower the blood sugar level, and it also lowers the cholesterol. Stirring until everything is mixed together and you won't find any lump in it. If you notice, it's changing color from being creamy to a little light yellow in color, showing you that it's actually cooking. As you can see, there is no lump anywhere inside. I actually gave it a very wonderful stir. The color is changing, showing you it is cooking properly. And as long as you are turning it, it's not going to burn. Because if it burns, you're going to lose a lot of your swallow. So just keep stirring it as it is cooking. Okay, Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook the remaining time, and now I'm going to cover it to cook for the remaining time that I have. I have like 2 minutes more remaining, and I'm going to lower my heat so it doesn't burn. Wow. Can you see the color? Actually, I prefer to make this swallow with non-stick pot so that it doesn't burn like a normal aluminum pot. So if you have a non-stick pot, it's preferable to use it. If you don't have a non-stick pot, it's okay, you can still get it. So our swallow is ready. We're going to put it inside a plate so that it can form, so that we can dish it, or we'll wrap it with a nylon. You watch. Okay, I'm going to put it inside this plate so that it can form before I dish it. If you don't allow it to get cold, it might actually look as if you are eating pap. It's okay if you're in a hurry, you can eat it like that, but if you're not, you can put it in a plate and allow it to form, then you dish it. You can also wrap it inside a nylon immediately, which I'm going to do with the remaining one to show you how to do it. I'm going to use my film cling to cover it and allow it to get cold. Okay, we are going to leave it in this plate for like 3 to 4 minutes so that it can form. Or if you don't want to put it in a plate, you want to put it in your film cling, you can actually put a film cling inside a plate and put the swallow there and tie it. So we're going to tie it, wrap it. See? You allow it to form, then you serve it. So either way is beautiful. Is either you tie it in a film cling and allow it to cool, or you put it in a plate. Plantain swallow is ready. This is an amazing meal and I know you're going to enjoy it. Please make sure you try it out and write to us and tell us how it came out.